What if a pile of rusty scrap steel could become the detail that makes a piece of decor look incredibly expensive? Most people see old rebar, worn steel, or discarded leaf spring and see nothing more than scrap. But for a creative maker, that same metal can become something completely different. A beautiful handle, a unique table leg, a striking cabinet pull, or a custom furniture accent that gives an ordinary piece a designer look. Hello there, viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are going to explore how discarded steel can be transformed into a modern decor accent that combines rugged character with luxury design. And the best part is the contrast. Rough metals, beautifully hardwood, or materials meets modern design. Industrial character meets refined craftsmanship. That's the contrast is what makes this piece so interesting. You don't need to make the entire piece of decor from expensive materials. Sometimes one carefully designed detail can completely change the way a piece looks. Start with the right scrap steel. The first step is finding suitable material. Look through your scrap pile or strong piece that can be safely reused. Old steel bars, suitable ribbon, and other solid offcuts can provide excellent starting point for decorative furniture accent. But don't simply grab the first rusty piece you find. Inspect it carefully. Avoid metal that is barely cracked, dangerously weakened. Start with the right scrap steel. The first step is finding suitable material. Look through your scrap pile for strong pieces that can be safely used. Old steel bars, suitable rebar, and other solid curve cuts can provide excellent starting point for decorative furniture accent. But don't simply grab the first rusty piece you find. Inspect it carefully. Avoid material that is badly cracked, dangerously weakened, contaminated, or of unknown composition when that could affect how it behaves during heating or shaping. Remember, we are creating furniture components that people may touch and use every day. Look beyond the rest. Rest can a piece of steel look old and worthless, but underneath that rough surface there may be strong and interesting material waiting to be transformed. The goal is not always to make the metal look brand new. Sometimes keeping a little of its industrial character can make the finished piece much more attractive. This, the secret is controlling the appearance rather than simply removing everything. Decide what the metal will become. Before heating or shaping the metal, decide what you are making. Will it be a cabinet handle, a drawer pull, a table leg, a shelf bracket, a furniture supporter, or a decorative accent? Knowing the final purpose help you decide how much materials you need and what shape you work best. Keep the design simple. Luxury furniture does not always need complicated decoration. In many modern design, simplicity creates the expensive look. A clean metal handle attract to be beautiful wood can be more powerful than a piece covered in unnecessary details. Think about space, think about proportion, think about how the metal would interact with the wood. Heating changes everything. This is where the transformation begins fascinating. With the right equipment, the suitable steel can be heated until it becomes workable enough to shape. As the metal changes, the maker can begin controlling its form. But this is serious hot work. Proper protection equipment, ventilation, safe tools, and appropriate procedures are essential. Never treat hot metals as a casual woodworking equipment. Shape the steel with patience. Once the material is ready to be shaped, slow and controlled work is the key. You are not trying to force the metal into its final shape in one move. You are gradually creating the form you want. Each strike can change the appearance. Each bend can influence the final design. This is where craftsmanship becomes visible. Let the hammer mark become part of the design. Here is something interesting about the forged metal. The mark created during shaping don't necessarily have to disappear. They can become part of the character. Instead of looking like a factory-made piece, the metal can show evidence that a person created it. This suitable mark can give the furniture a handmade aesthetic quality. create a modern shape. Even though we are starting with old industrial materials, the finished design does not have to look old-fashioned. Keep the line clean. Remove unnecessary decoration. Create simple curve or straight forms. This combination of old materials and modern shape can create a very sophisticated appearance. Make hand handles that stand out. A simple piece of furniture can be transformed with the right handle. Sometimes the smallest details becomes the most memorable part of the furniture. Great customer table leg. Scrap metals can also become the foundation of a table. Simple forged leg give a wooden tabletop a modern industrial appearance. The combination works especially with reclaimed or natural wood. Rough timber or refined material creates a beautiful balance. Combine steel with hardwood. This is where the luxury effect easily starts to appear. Think about a rich wood surface. Now add a carefully shaped dark metal accent. The contrast immediately catches your attention. The wood feels warm and natural. The metal feels strong and modern. Together, they create a sophisticated look. Don't make every piece identical. Handmade furniture has something factory-made products often don't. Individual character, small variation can make each piece feel unique. You don't necessarily want every hammer mark to be identical. You want the overall collection to feel consistent while allowing each piece to have its own personality. Clean up the dangerous edge. After shaping the metal, inspect every edge carefully. Remove sharp points, smooth areas that people will touch. Pay practical attention to handles and furniture parts that are frequently handled. A beautiful piece is not finished until it is comfortable and safe to use. Choose the final surface. Now comes another important design decision. Do you want the steel to remain dark or rugged? Do you want a smooth stain appearance? Or do you want to highlight some of the natural texture? The final surface should match the furniture. The finish is not just protection, it is part of the design. Protect the steel. Bar steel can continue to rust when exposed to moisture. That's why the finished metal needs an appropriate protective temperature for its intended environment. Choose a suitable product and follow its instruction carefully. The goal is to preserve the look while protecting the surface. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's project? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which country you are watching us from. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY living friends and families. Create contrast with dark metal. Dark metals can look especially striking against light wood. Imagine a pale oak tabletop with simple black metal leg, or a dark walnut cabinet with subtle forged steel handles. The contrast creates visual depth without requiring complicated decorations. Think like a designer. Don't simply ask how can I use this scrap. Ask how can this scrap improve the furniture. That's a completely different way of thinking. The metal should have a purpose. It should support the design. It should contribute to the overall appearance. Use the metal as an accent. You don't need huge amount of steel to make an impact. A few small accents can be enough. Handles, brackets, feet, legs, decorative supports. These small details can give an entire piece a distinctive identity. Create matching sets. Once you find a successful design, consider creating matching piece. A cabinet handle could inspire a matching table leg. A shelf bracket could match a coffee table. A furniture collection with consistent metal detail can look much more professional. Turn scrap into a signature style. This is where scrap metal becomes more than a cheap material. It becomes part of your brand. Imagine customers recognize your furniture because of its distinctive handmade steel accent. That kind of visual identity can help handmade furniture stand apart from mass-produced products. Combine rustic and modern. One of the most exciting things about this style is that it does not have to be completely rustic. You can make rough reclaimed wood and pair it with clean metal shapes, or take a polished wood, hardwood, and pair it with textured forged steel. The combination creates a look that feels both natural and contemporary. Create furniture with story. Reclaimed materials already have story. That old piece of steel may have had another purpose before it became a furniture accent. Now it has a new life. That story can become part of the finished product. Customers are not just seeing a handle, they are seeing a handmade piece with character and story. Think about profit. Here is where the idea becomes especially interesting for furniture makers. Scrap materials can sometimes be expensive compared with buying new decorative hardware, but the finished product can have much greater value because of the work involved. You are adding design, you are adding craftsmanship, you are adding customization, and you are creating something it is not easily found in stable standard furniture store. Don't sell it as scrap. When presenting the finished furniture, think about the language you use. Instead of saying this is made from scrap metal, explain the transformation. Say that the piece feature hand-shaped reclaimed steel accent. Explain the story behind the metal. Show the craftsmanship. Show the details. The customers should understand the value of the finished design. Create a luxury look without luxury materials. This is one of the biggest lessons from the project. A luxury appearance does not always come from expensive materials. It can come from carefully proportioned, thoughtful design, clean finish, strong construction, and attention to the detail. That's what turns simple material into sophisticated furniture. Let imperfections add character. A tiny variation in the metal can actually make a handmade piece more interesting. The goal is not to make it to look purely finished. The goal is to make it look intentionally handcrafted. That's a big difference. Build with purpose. Every component should have a reason to exist. If the steel is supporting the furniture, make it strong enough for the intended use. If it's a handle, make sure it is comfortable. If it's a decorative, make sure it does not create a safety problem. Good design always balance beauty with function. Think beyond furniture. The same approach can be used for many home decoration products: coat hooks, wall shelves, cabinet pull, plant stand, console tables, coffee tables, lights, accent, decorative blankets. The possibilities are enormous. Turn your scrap pile into an idea bank. Instead of looking at your workshop scrap pile as a waste, start looking at it as an idea bank. A short piece of steel could become a handle, another piece could become a bracket, and a longer section can become a functional leg. The material itself can inspire the design. The final inspiration. The most exciting part of this project is not the steel, it is the transformation. Old industrial materials become refined furniture, hardware. Rough texture becomes intentional design. Scrap becomes something valuable, and ordinary function furniture becomes something unique. That's the beauty of creating woodworking and metalworking. So, the next time you see a pile of rusty steel sitting in a corner, don't immediately assume it's worthless. Take a closer look, think about what it could become: a handle, a leg, a bracket, a furniture accent, or even the signature detail that makes an entire piece stand out. The secret is not simply having expensive materials, it is knowing how to transform ordinary material into something people value. When you combine reclaimed steel with beautiful hardwood, you create a powerful contrast between raw industrial character and refined furniture design, and that contrast can turn a simple piece into something that feels truly special. If you are interested in making furniture or profit, remember that customers are not only buying wood and metal, they are buying the design, they are buying the craftsmanship, and buying the store, and they are buying something that can't easily find in a mass-produced furniture store. So keep experimenting, look at your scrap materials differently, try new combination, and the most important, focus on creating furniture that is beautiful, functional, durable, and safe. Because sometimes the most valuable material in your workshop is the material everyone else overlooked. If you enjoyed this project, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your favorite idea in the comments. And tell us, would you use reclaimed forged steel for furniture handles tables, leg, shelf, or something completely different. Thanks for watching. Keep creating.